Hi! My name is Danessa Claire P. Navarro. I am in grade 2, Murmury Mesho. During the Christmas holidays, I was able to complete 9 mornings together with my brother and my mother in preparation for the coming of our Lord. Last December 24, my lola, lolo, tita, and tito came in our house to celebrate with us. We cooked delicious food like spaghetti, lumpiang Shanghai, fried chicken, and more for the Noche Buena. We also attended the Christmas Eve Mass. After the Mass and the Noche Buena, we opened our gifts to each other. I received a lot of gifts from my family and I was really happy. After celebrating the Christmas at home, our family went to Puerto Galera in Mindoro to celebrate the New Year's Eve. It was really fun and we had a lot of new experiences like snorkeling, catching small crabs, swimming, and playing by the beach. Christmas and New Year are really the most wonderful time of the year. This is also my favorite time of the year because we are celebrating together with my whole family. I hope you enjoy watching my video. Thank you for watching. Bye!